Before we begin, imagine your favorite song for a moment. Not the lyrics, just the rhythm. Steady, comforting, returning again and again. That rhythm is how English can feel in your life. A calm presence moving with you from morning to night, appearing many times during your day, woven naturally into your normal day. Welcome to English Unlocked, the podcast. I'm Teacher Emma, and I'm truly happy you're here. Today, I'll give you a simple daily program, True English for Beginners, created for a 1 to a 2 learners. A gentle 1 to a 2 routine to help you learn English all day long, slowly, gently, and effectively. This is your step-by-step guide, built on small habits, day by day, habit by habit, moment by moment. So let's begin and create your own rhythm of English together. And if you want this calm rhythm in your day, subscribe now and let's build it together. And now, let's take the rhythm we created together and use it to begin your morning routine. Morning is where everything starts. It's the quiet beginning of your day, the moment when everything feels possible. Your brain is fresh, your mind is open, your listening muscles are ready. And this is why morning holds the key to your entire routine. It sets a strong rhythm for the whole day, a rhythm you can return to again and again. The first thing you do is simple. You listen. Not grammar, not heavy study, just morning listening. A short English podcast. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10. You don't need full understanding. 50% is fine, 60% is fine. The goal is exposure. Small, gentle exposure that warms your brain and opens your ears to English. Think of it as a gentle cup of English in the morning. Warm, comforting. Something that wakes you softly and stays with you from morning to night. Then take 10 minutes for a simple vocabulary review. Not new words, just reviewing old vocabulary. Small amounts every day. 1 word, 2 words. Small words add up. Each time you do this, your memory becomes stronger, your confidence becomes softer, and your English feels lighter throughout your day. Next, change your phone to English. Not to study, but simply to let English appear many times during your day. Battery, Wi-Fi, brightness, notifications. You don't study these words, you simply see them. They become part of your normal day, quietly, naturally, without pressure. So your perfect morning routine is simple. Morning listening, reviewing old vocabulary, use English every day, add English gently, and create a strong rhythm for the whole day. This is your morning immersion. A calm beginning, a steady foundation for your daily English routine. Each small habit you follow becomes part of a quiet daily plan your brain understands easily. Now the day begins to slow down again. But your energy may feel tired, and that's okay. Afternoons can be difficult. You might feel tired. Your focus may drop. Your mind may wander. For this reason, your afternoon routine should feel light and active. Soft enough not to drain you, but active enough to keep English alive throughout your day. One simple habit is describing your surroundings. Look around you and say short, simple sentences. The sky is clear today. There is a man walking his dog. I hear cars outside. I'm sitting at my desk. These gentle descriptions help you think in English, and they keep you connecting English to real life in a soft, natural way. Another soft action is listening while doing chores. When you cook, fold laundry, clean a room, or take a short walk, listen to a slow audiobook or a calming podcast. The goal is not understanding every word. The goal is simple exposure that follows you quietly through your normal day. For beginning-level learners, this gentle listening makes English feel natural and familiar. And for beginner-level learners, these light moments help you improve faster without stress. You can also explore online forums or read through simple comment sections. Choose something you enjoy: a cooking page, a fitness post, a music discussion, a movie review. Write something small. I love this recipe. This looks so good. I want to try this. This song has beautiful lyrics. These tiny comments help you practice natural English in a low-pressure environment. So let your afternoon stay soft, light, and calm. Simple descriptions, soft listening, short comments, little actions that build your confidence throughout your normal day. Remember, listen more and stress less. That is the heart of your afternoon. Now the day begins to settle, and the noise around you slowly fades. Evening is the moment when your mind becomes softer, calmer, more reflective. This is the perfect time for evening reinforcement, a calm, gentle part of your evening routine that helps you connect everything you learned throughout your day. You don't need pressure. You don't need long study sessions. Evenings are not for heavy work. They are for soft learning, quiet learning. Learning that helps your brain rest while evening English continues to flow. One simple evening action is watching something in English. Choose something beginner-friendly, a slow video, a calm podcast, a short scene from a TV show. Start with English subtitles. Watch 5 minutes. Then watch the same part for just 1 minute without subtitles. You're not testing yourself. You're simply noticing how sounds connect, how the speaker moves their mouth, how familiar words return again. This gentle noticing helps beginning-level learners improve faster without pressure. And it also supports beginner-level learners, giving them confidence to grow naturally. The evening is also a perfect time for evening journaling. You don't need long sentences. Write something small. Today was a busy day. I learned a new word. I listened to English in the morning. I saw something interesting. These simple notes are not just writing. This is where writing trains your grammar in a calm, natural way. And each small sentence you write helps connect everything you learned into a clear daily plan your brain understands easily. And before you end the day, take a short review. Open your notebook, your vocabulary app, or your flashcards. Look at the new words from earlier today. Just for 2 or 3 minutes. You're not memorizing. You're not studying. You're simply reminding your mind gently, softly, so your memory's stronger day by day. Let your evenings stay quiet, soft, and peaceful. A little watching, a little writing, a little reviewing. Just enough to help your English grow naturally day by day, habit by habit, moment by moment. And now, you've reached the weekend, a softer space, a slower rhythm, a moment where life opens just a little more. Weekends feel different. Your schedule is lighter. Your mind has more room. And this is why weekends are perfect for deeper English moments. Moments that help you grow your English slowly but powerfully. One gentle weekend activity is reviewing your week in a calm, reflective way. Look back at your small habits, your morning immersion, your midday tools, your afternoon activation, your evening reinforcement. Notice what felt easy. Notice what felt difficult. Just observing, not judging. This quiet review helps beginning-level learners and beginner-level learners improve faster, stay consistent, and build fluency day by day, habit by habit, moment by moment. Another powerful weekend activity is joining an online speaking club. You don't need perfect sentences. You don't need strong grammar. You only need to show up and speak softly, gently, with other learners who share the same journey. These simple conversations help you build confidence, practice real English, and feel the language fitting naturally into your normal day. This is called weekend deep practice. Not high pressure, not heavy study, but a deeper connection to the English you use every day. Another beautiful habit is doing a longer listening moment. Watch a full short video, listen to a longer podcast, or follow a slow English story from beginning to end. Longer listening trains your focus and helps you understand natural English in a calm, peaceful way. And at the end of your weekend, take one final step. Set a small goal for the next week. Something gentle, something simple, something that can easily fit into your normal life. Maybe, I want to review vocabulary for 10 minutes. I want to listen every morning. I want to send one voice note. I want to join one online speaking club. Small goals create clear goals, and clear goals help you stay consistent, grow your English slowly, and build fluency in the most natural way. So let your weekends stay calm, reflective, and full of small, meaningful English moments. Every soft action builds fluency. Every gentle habit makes your English stronger. Every small moment creates the next step of your journey. Day by day, habit by habit, moment by moment, you are becoming an English speaker. My wonderful learners, you've reached the end of this gentle journey. From morning to night, you learned how English can live softly inside your day, not with pressure, but slowly, gently, and effectively. Every habit you practice, every small action you take, helps you build fluency in a natural, peaceful way. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long study hours. You only need small English moments that you use every day, moments that follow you throughout your day, moments that grow quietly inside your normal life. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Day by day, habit by habit, moment by moment, you are beginning to grow your English into the voice you always wanted to have. And if you want more soft English moments to guide your journey, stay close to us here on English Unlocked, the podcast. Subscribe, and let's grow together. Goodbye, my wonderful learners, and thank you for sharing this calm moment with me today.